The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butler County, northwestern Cowley County, eastern Sedgwick County, northeastern Sumner County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hayesville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Andover, Hayesville, Augusta, Park City, Valley Center, Bel Air, Mauldin, Rose Hill, Mays, Clearwater, Douglas, Belle Plaine, Towanda, Benton, Udall, downtown Wichita, Keachai, and Eastboro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile marker 0 and 15. Interstate 35 between mile markers 25 and 67.